Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I am back to try the technique I saw on MelyD's channel again, the cloud pour. And I'm going to do it as closely as possible to following hers. So in my white cup here, I have the satin enamel, which apparently is the key ingredient. And then I also have the Artist Loft Flow acrylic, okay? And I mix that with a little bit of the Liquitex pouring medium, which is what she uses, and then also water. I have phthalo green, I have bronze, antique bronze, and then I have blue, and these all have the Liquitex pouring medium and water in it. So we're gonna give this another go. Yeah, I hope to get results at least semi-close to hers. That would be nice. But she's definitely the pro at it, so who knows. And I am using a 9x12 canvas. So generally for that, I'll use maybe about 6 ounces or so of paint. And that's a little bit more than half of this cup. I'm just kind of layering my colors in here. Using lots of white. Okay, that should be plenty. Let's go ahead and give this a go. I think one other thing I'm going to try actually is putting down some of the white. I'll just put that down in the center there to help it flow. Okay guys, here goes nothing. Okay, so I definitely have more of those cloud-like cells popping up there. Still not nearly as pretty as hers. We're gonna go ahead and we'll let this sit for a bit, see what else develops, and then we'll come back and do our close-up. Okay, so I actually left this for about an hour, and I definitely got the cloud effect. I'm not happy with this big white spot in the middle, per se, but otherwise it looks pretty cool. So I think maybe just another try or two and I'll be able to get this technique down a little bit more. I think I used a little too much paint, I think was part of the problem. But anyways, let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up here. So starting on the lower right-hand corner, and I love this color combo. It's one of my favorites, of course, with the bronze, which mostly kind of disappeared in here, but the bronze and the blue and the green. So this is the upper left-hand corner, down to the lower left-hand corner, and then this is the big white blob. So there we go. Alright guys, so this was my second attempt at the cloud pour. Please check out MelyD's channel if you haven't already. I'll put the link down in the description, and I will see y'all next time.